the Northwest Land Group, the real estate team in Seattle and the East Side area. My name is Elena Bantron, and I'm the real estate broker and the founder of this group. Our team members live and work in Seattle and the East Side for years. We know the local neighborhoods very well. You might say we are the local professionals. In this class, I would like to ask Emily to share all the details about the home buying process with you so that you will proceed the home buying with a full confidence.
Hi, I'm Emily. Thank you, Elena, for letting me guide you through the process. Okay, let's go. First, you make a decision. I am done with rent. I am ready to buy my own home. Great. You will need two professionals in this process. One is the realtor or real estate agent, the one who will guide you through the process and help you find and get the right home for you. For your information, the real estate agent's services are free for you when you buy a home in the United States. The seller pays for both real estate agents, the seller's agent, as well as the buyer's agent. Your realtor is doing all the services for you, and he or she will be paid at the end of the transaction, the day you'll get the keys from your home. Now you're ready to start the process. We will help you understand where the safe neighborhoods are, with the great school ratings, and depending on your budget, your realtor can find for you the exact neighborhoods to look at. We will create the search for you in the realtor's database, and your realtor will send you homes to your email as they come to the market. We will start to drive around together and tour the homes. Your realtor will have a special key to open the homes that are listed for sale. Now, this is a very important part in your educational process about choosing the home. When we enter the homes, our agents will point to you the strong qualities of the home. For example, large windows and a lot of natural sunlight getting into the house. That is really important in our Seattle weather. Or a nice renovated cabinets in the kitchen that increase the value of the home. Our agent will also point out to you the imperfections of the house, such as a first floor that might be wet and dark due to lack of windows, or maybe a roof that is too old and might need to replace it. Your realtor will give you these details about each home we visit together, so you will have a clear picture of the home and we'll make a better decision. We will tour the homes until you find the home that meets all your criteria and something clicks inside of you. You feel like, I'm ready to buy it. Great. While we are looking for the home, you have time to find a lender. Who is the lender? The lender is a mortgage broker who will provide you with a loan or a mortgage because you need to borrow the money from the bank to buy a home. Unless you are paying all cash, of course. If you don't have a specialist in mind, we'll be happy to share with you the contacts of the great lenders who our team have worked with for a long time, whom are really professionals in their field. To apply for the mortgage, you will need to send the lender some of your financial information, your income, bank statements, maybe tax return and other information. They will also look at your credit score. This way, the lender will evaluate your ability to get a loan, and they will tell you the maximum loan amount you can get. That way, you'll know exactly what home price you can afford. The lender will give you a pre-approval letter that states that you were able to get the loan and the loan amount. With this letter in hand, you're ready to make the offer for your home. Okay, now we have a pre-approval letter from the lender and you have found your home. You are ready to buy. What's next? We make an offer for this home. The offer is a pack of documents that we will send to the seller. The offer states the purchase price, type of loan you're getting, down payment amount, earnest money amount, and other contingencies. Your realtor will discuss with you all the details of the contract. Write the paperwork, you sign it, and then we'll send it to the seller. As you already probably know, we are on the strong seller's market. There is not enough inventory and very high demand for these homes. Each home in a good neighborhood with a backyard, 3 to 5 bedrooms, in nice condition, typically receives 5 to 10 offers depending on the area. We will discuss with you the strategies on how to get the home for you in a very difficult multiple offers situation. We know exactly what to do, and your realtor will share these details with you in a private consultation. As a result, the seller accepts our offer and puts their signature. We have reached the mutual agreement. Hooray! Next, here will be 2 entities open. Escrow is an independent company that conducts our transactions. They collect all the documents and money from the side of the seller and the buyer. They then distribute the money at the completion of the transaction, sign the documents on the transfer of ownership, and register the documents in the county. Now, within 2 business days, you will send the earnest money to the escrow in the amount of 3 to 5% of the purchase price to give the seller warranty that you will go ahead with the purchase. At the end of the transaction, this money will go towards your down payment. Typically, it takes 30 days to close the transaction. Escrow works in partnership with, one might say, title, the company that checks title. Title is clean, no relatives claim this house, or it is not subject to monetary penalties. As I said, it usually takes 30 days to do all this work, to close the contract and get the title for the home to be transferred to your name, so that you then can move into your new home. Home inspection contingency. If we have included home inspection contingency in our offer, in order to understand the real estate of the house, we do home inspection. A qualified inspector examines the house and gives you a list of things that need to be fixed. In this case, you can then ask the seller to make the necessary repairs or compensate for its cash equivalent. If the seller disagrees, you can terminate the contract, exit the transaction. The earnest money will be returned to you. Finance contingency. To understand how much a mortgage company can give to you, they order a valuation or home appraisal. We can say that this is an assessment by an independent expert of the value of this house. The amount at which the appraisal will come to is how much money the bank will give to you. Usually in this market, the appraisal comes to the offer amount so that there is nothing to worry about. But if not, we can either exit the transaction and bring more money to the table or settle the amount with the seller to meet in between. If everything is going fine, we come to the last week before closing. You can come one more time for your final walkthrough to see if everything is okay with the house before you will sign the final documents. 1 or 2 days prior to the closing, you will sign the closing documents and transfer the rest of the money to the escrow. At the day of closing, escrow will disperse all the money to the parties and send the documents to the county for registration. Since the title will be registered at the county, you will become the new owner of the home and your realtor will hand you the keys. Congratulations, welcome home.
If you want to chat in details about your home buying situation, pick up your phone and give me a call at 425-582-1789. We will discuss all the strategies. I will show you the good neighborhoods in your price range, and we will get a really nice home for you. We are waiting for your call, and have a nice day.